Hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, in this video, I'm going to share how you can make your own yogurt so you don't have to buy it from the store. And the yogurt I'm making is made only using two ingredients, and those are milk and a couple of tablespoons of existing yogurt, which contains the culture of yogurt. The culture is basically the bacteria that converts lactose in milk into lactic acid, converting milk into yogurt. So let's get started. So first we're going to add milk to our deep saucepan. And you can add as much milk as the amount of yogurt you want to make. Set the heat to medium and let the milk boil. Make sure you keep an eye on the milk so it reaches the boiling point but does not boil over. After boiling the milk, let it cool down for 30 to 45 minutes until it is warm to touch. And it will create this fine layer of fat on top. You can skim it back so that you actually put it into your yogurt. You can if you want, but it's not very pleasant to eat. The best way to test the temperature of the yogurt is to put some on your wrist. If it's warm, lukewarm to touch, it's ready to make yogurt. It's very important to have the milk at lukewarm temperature when adding the culture. If the milk is too hot, the bacteria in the culture will die and you won't get any yogurt. If the milk is too cold, the bacteria in the culture will not be able to multiply and the yogurt will not be made. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of existing yogurt in the container of your choice. This contains the culture needed to make the yogurt. Then we're going to add milk to our container. Cover the container and then add the container in a warm area or an area that actually retains heat, such as an oven, and then close the oven. Don't actually turn on the oven. We're just keeping the milk in the oven to retain the heat. The best temperature to make yogurt is between 108 to 112 degrees Fahrenheit. However, we don't need to be too complicated. Just keep the milk at lukewarm temperature, put it in the oven, and the yogurt will set in 6 hours. So after 6 hours, let's open the oven and check our yogurt. Let's open this up and check out our yogurt. Wow. Look at this. It has set very nicely, and let's get a spoon out of it. The yogurt is set and it's ready to consume. So here you go. This is how easy it is to make your own yogurt, and this process makes one of the sweetest yogurt. If you keep your yogurt out too long, more than 8 hours, the bacteria will keep multiplying and your yogurt will turn sour. Less than 6 hours, the yogurt will not set. So between 6 and 8 hours is the right time to make the sweetest yogurt. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video.